Hey, beautiful souls. How are y'all tonight? I hope y'all are doing well on this Monday. My eyes are a little watery. Well, I know why they watery, because I had some peppers. All right. So, are y'all ready for your divine message? Let's see what the divine has to say today. All right. Ooh, I'm getting a little hot up in here. Got on this hoodie because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. All right. Okay, we have one more, unless the divine wants more to fall out. All right, so that is 6. Okay, so we have, there is greatness in you, water your garden, declare and decree a thing, you are making progress, use your time wisely, do it now. I don't know. These came out a little funny, but we're going to make sense of it. Okay, so as you guys always know, this is for the collective affected by domestic violence, but this is for anyone if it resonates with you, whatever you're doing in your life. At this time, at this moment, there is greatness in you. There is greatness in you, no matter what anyone tells you. Know that there is greatness in you because God made you. Okay? So water your garden. Regardless of what someone is telling you, continue to water that garden of greatness. Water your garden of greatness. Declare and decree a thing. Declare and decree a thing. Regardless of your doubts, your fears, declare and decree a thing. And whatever you are doing, you are making progress. Regardless of what it looks like, keep the faith. You are making progress. So make sure you're using your time wisely. Make sure you're using your time wisely in whatever you're planning, because every second, every minute count of you coming into fruition of your goals, your desires, your freedom. So make sure you're using your time wisely. And do it now. Whatever that means. I don't know what that means. But do it now. Do it now. Whatever it means to you, do it now. Okay? Whatever that means to you, do it now. All right. So we have, there's greatness in you. So water your garden. Declare and decree a thing, because you are making progress. This declare and decree a thing, you maybe need to define it a little bit more, whatever it is. Or you may need to add additional to, or maybe you feeling doubtful, and you may need to just redefine it a little bit. So just understand that you are making progress though. So make sure you're using your time wisely. And I don't know what do it now mean. Whatever it means to you, do it now. Okay? All right. I am Cassandra with a Shine, and it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors. Have a great night, and continue to sound the silence in domestic violence.